Hi, my name is Kristen and I work for Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making a spring flower craft. So the supplies you'll be needing is different color pieces of paper. You're going to need green for your leaves, any color you want for your flowers. In this case I'm using pink. You're going to need brown for your stem, yellow for your center, and then white for your background. And you're also going to need either tape or some glue and then a pair of scissors. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take the color piece of paper that you're going to use for your flowers and you're going to cut strips from them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my paper directly in half, and then this is how long my strips are going to be. And I'm just going to cut out however many I want. So now that you have your pieces of paper cut, what you're going to do is you're going to take each strip, you're going to fold it in half, but you're not going to crease it, you're just going to leave it like a little loop, and then you're going to take some tape or glue, whatever you're using, and then you are going to paste it to your white paper in a circle like the flower. So now that you've finished pasting your petals, what you're going to do is you're going to take your yellow paper and you're going to cut out a circle for the middle. So now that you have your yellow circle cut out, what you're going to do is you're going to paste it to the middle of your flower, and also what you're going to do is you're going to take your brown piece of paper, you're going to cut out a stem and paste that on your paper as well. Now the final thing you want to do to complete your craft is you're going to cut out leaves from your green piece of paper and then paste them on your stem. So that's the end of our craft. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you next time.